Are you voting for Trump?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because he's a wonderful person.
This is my first time I've ever worked on a political campaign. My family members have joined me, my son, my daughter-in-law.
He's all about love, brother. Like your shirt says, love's the answer.
You see what he's gotten written on his very dirty undershirt? Did you see? Says love is the answer. And in a certain way, he's right.
Hey, so are you voting for Trump?
Yeah.
All right, can you tell me about it?
Well, I think Donald has a good message. He's financing his own campaign. He has his own money in the game. And anyone that's spending his own money spends it wisely as compared to getting millions from someone else.
Go back to Nazi Germany! Hail Hitler! Here, give us some push, brother. Hail Hitler!
Hey, so they're yelling that you're Nazis and shit like that. How does that make you feel?
Doesn't bother me.
Their little slander remarks and all that stuff. Again, once again, that just shows their IQ or how intelligent they're really being in today's world. Maybe they should get down and see what their conscience or see what God got to say about what it's really about. You know, I'm the campaign director.
I did all this. You set this up?
Yeah.
Go! Go!